Hello, let us solve for x from this expression x raised to the power of square root of x equals square root of x raised to the power of x. So from here, let us rewrite the expression to become x such that this now becomes x raised to the power x dot 1 over 2. So this square root is also power, so we try to express it in the form of power. So therefore this becomes x and this becomes x. If we multiply this gives us x over 2. So since the base are the same, definitely the powers are the same. So therefore root 2 root x equals x all over 2. So let us cross multiply this expression such that 2 into root x equals x. So let us square both sides. Square both sides. So this will now become 2 root x all raised to power 2 equals x raised to power 2. The rationale behind it is to eliminate these square roots. Therefore, this becomes 4x equals x squared. So let us bring this in. So we have 4x minus x squared equals 0. So if you factor out x, so it will now be minus x equals 0. So from here we can split, just like this, a quadratic equation, x equals 0 or 4 minus x equals 0. So from here, from this expression, x equals 0 or x equals 4. Now let us substitute and see whether we are correct. We substitute x into this, if we substitute 0 into this expression, so that is 0 square root of 0 equals 0 raised to power 0. Definitely they are equal because square root of 0 is 0, 0 raised to power 0 is 0, and this is also 0. So this is correct. So 0 is, let us substitute 4. 4 raised to the power of square root of 4 equals square root of 4 raised to power 4. So this would now become square root of 4 is 2, and that gives us square root of 4. So this gives us 2. So this gives us 4 raised to power 4, that is 256. So 4 raised to power 2, that's 4 multiplied by 4, that's 16. And the square root of 256 is also 16. So our equation is true for x equals 4. So thank you very much. See you next time.